So, 3 best holidays. Thinking first best holiday? Halloween. Everyone gets candy. Everyone can participate.
What? I got chocolate.
You did get chocolate. It's communal. You have to go to everyone's house. Yeah? Right. And there's no pressure to participate in it, really. There was back in the day. But we won't talk about that. Before, people would vandalize property if they didn't get treats. That was back when America was good, back in the 1950s and 60s. That's what some people want America to go back to. But that's okay. Second best holiday. You ready for it, Ro? I think Valentine's Day.
No.
What? For kids your age? What's wrong with Valentine's Day?
No.
I hate Valentine's Day.
What about
But I don't know. Yeah, Valentine's Day is the same for you as Halloween. You just don't get to dress up.
What would you get up like what?
You want to dress up like Rocky. So Valentine's Day is not your jam. You know what is 4th of July? You don't know. You've only experienced holidays 3 times.
Yeah.
You have no recollection of holidays. Thanksgiving?
No.
You know what is Thanksgiving?
No.
Okay. Thanksgiving is Turkey Day. People
No.
eat turkey. No? I'm running out of holidays here.
Yeah.
What?
What would the
Oh, you want some more? We don't have cookies.
What would the cookie?
I have Cheez-Its. You already got a cookie today. Yeah, I'm glad you like it. Good. Okay. What about Columbus Day? What? Rubble?
A bobo door right there. No.
St. Patrick's Day.
No.
It's where every white person is Irish
No.
for a day.
No.
No? Cinco de Mayo.
No.
No. You're not big into holidays that promote overconsumption.
Yeah.
Man, I'm really...
Top that the blue part.
That is the blue park.
Top that the blue.
You want me to talk about the blue park?
No.
You know what is New Year's Eve?
How about you go to the blue part?
Okay, Rohan. Returning